Good morning guys! Welcome to my Facebook page and YouTube channel. At this time, another content tayo. Ito ang Kia Sonet. Ito po ay yung top of the line ng Kia Sonet, featuring the top of the line with two-tone. Yan. Meaning, naka-brown leather siya, naka-wireless charging siya, at with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. At syempre, meron siyang sunroof dito po sa tapat ng driver, tapat ng passenger seat sa unahan. And with EBD, meaning ng EBD, we have electronic brake force distribution. So maganda po yung kanyang brake, comfortable. With ADAS, meaning ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System. Kaya safe tayo sa pag-drive natin. May mga camera po siya, may mga radar para kung in case po na may mga accident na mangyari, masagasaan, na-alert po tayo, winawarnan tayo. 16 wheel ang kanyang rim. Okay, 16 wheel. We have ang ground clearance siya is 205 mm with 5 seaters. Yan po, 5 seaters. Gasoline engine. 1.5 liters ang kanyang engine. And with this is a subcompact with push button ang kanyang start ng engine with push start button with electronic stability control and with cross control dyan po sa loob ng manibela. At meron siyang Bluetooth with GPS, meaning ng GPS, Global Positioning System. Kaya maganda po itong GPS na to kasi ay magamit natin ito sa ating sa pagbibiyahe natin. And with 4 cylinders at meron siyang, ito po ay naiba sa ibang sakyan kasi 10 times or 10 times lighter than other vehicle, and then yung kanyang body, we have 2 times stronger ang kanyang steel with adjusted power steering wheel. Yan po. And ang kanyang likod, yung kanyang cargo sa likod, yung compartment, capacity 475 ang kanyang cargo pack. At meron siyang rear camera. May camera po sa likod, kaya kung atras tayo, mamomonitor natin yung kanyang yung likod kung may mababangat tayo o hindi. At ito po ay pormang-porma at ang ka-competitor nito sa Toyota, yung Toyota Race. Ito po ang kalaban nito sa Toyota. Pero kung itatabi natin ang dalawa, ito pong Kia Sonet ay mas mataas, mas malaki kumpara sa Toyota Race. Kaya maangas po ang ito. Ang unahan nito para siyang Tiger. Okay? Maganda po yung kanyang front. So ano pang hinintay natin? Kung willing kayo na bumili na ganitong klaseng sakyan, all you have to do is to drop by sa mga nearest Kia Car Motors distributor dito po sa Pilipinas, sa Naga City. Nandiyan po siya sa Jelly Motors Naga. Ayan. So yan po. Ano pa? So binigyan ako ng brochure dito at kung ano yung mga specification ng Kia Sonet nandiyan po. So mayroon siyang I think dalawang variant. This is the top of the line. Yung isa, yung kulay pula doon sa dulo, is yung baseline. So yung top of the line meron siyang sunroof. Yung baseline wala siyang sunroof. At ang pagkaiba pa, itong top of the line ay naka-brown leather seat siya kumpara doon sa baseline na talagang ordinary seats lang, hindi siya leather. So at unique siya kasi pwedeng pang single at pwedeng syempre pang mature na tao. Hindi ka mapapaya dito. So maganda siya. Right? And diyan po sa loob, malamig yung aircon at yung kanyang touchscreen sa loob. Sabi ko kanina, meron siyang tinatawag na Apple CarPlay at with Android Auto. At ulitin ko nga, 5-seaters to, limahan lang. At gasoline engine, 1.5 liters ang kanyang engine. At ito, medyo makul tayo dito ngayon. So, in-interview natin yung agent tungkol dito sa Kia Sonet. At pang-forma talaga. Hindi naman siya kataasan kumpara sa mga SUV. Tamang-tama lang, maski yung mga matanda, hindi dito mahirapan sumakay kasi hindi masyadong mataas. Okay? And ulitin natin, mayroon itong tinatawag na Electronic Brake Force Distribution or EBD. Yung EBD, ang meaning, this is a system in vehicles that optimizes brake force between the front and the rear wheel to improve braking performance and stability. And mayroon din itong ADAS or Advanced Driver Assistance System. This refers to the set of safety technologies in vehicles designed to enhance driving safety and assist drivers in avoiding accidents. ADAS uses sensors, cameras, radar, and AI to monitor surroundings and provide alerts or automated intervention. Ayan, yan po ang ADAS. And yung ADAS daw improves road safety and is a step toward fully autonomous driving. And GPS naman, may GPS to. Meaning GPS, Global Positioning System, is a satellite-based navigation system that provides location, velocity, and time data anywhere on Earth. It has developed by the US or the Department of Defense and is now widely used for civilian and commercial application. How GPS works? Of course, sa pamamagitan ng satellites, a network of at least 24 satellites orbits Earth, constantly transmitting signals, and we have the receivers or devices, smartphones, car navigation system, receive signals from multiple satellites. And we have so common use of GPS, we have navigation, used in cars, planes, and ships for route guidance. Mapping and surveying, helps create accurate maps and measure land areas. Tracking, used in logistics, fleet management, and personal tracking devices. And emergency services, helps locate people in distress. Okay. Right. And ano pa? So ito yung nasa loob. Meron siyang lalagay na salamin at nakasakay tayo dito at na feel natin yung lamig ng aircon. Right? Okay? So, ulitin natin. 10 times lighter siya, magaan siya, at 2 times stronger ang kanyang steel. Ang hulugan, matibay yung kanyang steel. Hindi ito kagaya ng ibang kotse na pag nabangga, parang papel na niyupe. Matigas ang steel nito. Adjusted power steering. And ang cargo sa likod ay 475 ang cargo pack sa likod. With rear camera at may mga portion dito sa loob na leather, may mga portion na plastic ang loob niya. Ano siya? Maluwag. Okay? Maluwag ang kanyang loob. At ulitin ko, ang kanyang cash price ay 1,158,000. 1,158,000 ang kanyang cash price. Right? Kung may tanong pa kayo, all you have to do is to comment on the comments portion below and para sagutin natin yan. And ano pa ang kailangan nating malaman? So, napakaganda nito. Itong sakyan na to. O din natin yung mga acronym ha. Pag sinabi natin EBD is what? What is the meaning of EBD? This is the Electronic Brake Force Distribution. Yan po ang meaning ng EBD at mayroon tayong acronym na ADAS. When you say ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System. Ayan. Mayroon tayong tinatawag na GPS, meaning Global Positioning System dito sa sasakyan. Kaya safe po tayo dito sa sasakyan na to. Pati ang Kia Motors ay matagal na sa Pilipinas, matagal na rito sa ibang bansa. Usually this is a Korean car. Ang sister company nito ay yung Hyundai, di ba? Hyundai. So napakadal na tong brand na to, nakipagsabayan to sa ibang brand gaya ng Toyota. Kaya hindi natin masabi na pipitsugin itong Kia Motors. Matibay ito. Talagang pagdating sa road ay maaasahan mo to. Okay? And what else? May cruise control dyan sa Manabela. May cruise control siya. Right? And may Bluetooth. At meron siyang adjusted seats. Yan, adjustable po yung kanyang upuan. Kung medyo mababa, pwede mo siyang taasan. Okay? At pwede mo siyang i-move forward and backward. Yung front seats. Okay. And, of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video on my YouTube channel. And, of course, follow my video on my Facebook page. Right. And maraming salamat for watching this video. At syempre, don't forget to share this video to other people, to your friends, para malaman nila yung kanyang yung katulad nitong klaseng sasakyan. Kia Sonet, the brand new car from Kia Motors. Okay? Maraming salamat for watching. Bye!